All right, so in this session, we'll see about the Bayes theorem and we'll try to drive the Bayes theorem and from the conditional probability, right? So if you have already watched the conditional probability video, so you can now see that how this formula is derived and how we can use this formula here. But in this session, we'll only focus on the Bayes theorem. So Bayes theorem is derived from these two conditional probability formulas, which says that if there's a probability of event A such that event B has already occurred, and at the inverse of this, if we have like probability of event B such that event A has already occurred, right? So these two formulas. Now let me just see that if I put this, if I just put this P into B, probability of B, and just multiply it here, so our new formula would be like this, right? Probability of B into multiply by probability of A such that probability of B is already occurred. So we have P, A, and B, right? So we have like this. So if I put this P into B here, and similarly if I put this probability of A, and so what we can do is that we can write it like this: probability of A and multiply it by probability of B such that A has already occurred and probability of A and B, right? So these two things, and this is the thing, right? So I'm just driving these two formulas as simultaneously so that you can better understand it. Now you can just see that PA and B here, and also we have PA and B here. So these two are equal. So if these two are equal, then we can say that these two are also equal with each other, right? So these two are also identical and equal with each other. So why not I just put them in a single equation here? So we have probability of B multiplied by probability of A such that B will be equals to probability of A multiplied with probability of B such that A, right? So this is the thing. Yeah, so we have drive till here, right? So for this, if I just do this, like if I put this probability of A here, this probability of A, it is multiplying here. If I put this is here and divided, so we can have, like, if I just copy this here. So here, so it would be like dividing it as a whole and probability of A, right? Now this one, this whole equation that I have derived here is this one is known as your Bayes theorem, right? So this one is known as your Bayes theorem. You can also do this in a way like if you put probability of B in a denominator, then you can have this PA into B. So this is the another variation of this Bayes theorem. But this is how you can actually drive this Bayes theorem in an easy way.